Hey everybody, this is Florida Trains and Things. And the other day I had to be in Folkston for an event that evening, and I was there a good bit early. So I decided while I was early, I'd partake in a little bit of rail watching. Well, unfortunately, there was a storm front moving into the area, so my footage came out less than ideal. And I had debated on posting it at all, but I decided you got to be prepared for anything and take what you get when you're a rail fan along a popular line. So here's what I got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Yeah, there it comes. I see it now.
Now, as long as your camera don't fall over again.
I know, right? Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.